Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to mark a sales invoice as paid on FreshBooks. This is a crucial step in keeping your financial records accurate and ensuring that your cash flow tracking stays up to date. Let's dive right in and walk through this process together. First, you'll need to head over to the FreshBooks website and log into your FreshBooks account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your FreshBooks dashboard, which is the central hub for managing all your business finances. From here, take a look at the left navigation menu where you'll find various options for managing your account. Locate the section labeled Invoices and click on it. This will take you to a comprehensive view of all your invoicing activity. Once you've clicked on Invoices, you'll be able to view all the invoices you have under your FreshBooks account. These invoices will be organized by their current status, such as draft, sent, or paid. This organization makes it incredibly easy to track which invoices are still pending and which ones have already been settled by your clients. Take a moment to scan through the list and familiarize yourself with the layout, as this will help you navigate more efficiently in the future. Now, locate the specific invoice you wish to mark as paid. Once you've found it, click on it to open up the details. You'll be directed to the Invoice Overview page, which displays all the relevant information about that particular invoice, including the client details, invoice amount, and any notes or attachments. This page serves as your control center for managing this invoice. From the Invoice Overview page, look for the More Actions button. This button typically appears near the top of the page and gives you access to additional options for managing the invoice. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, select Add a Payment. This option allows you to manually record a payment against this invoice, which is exactly what we need to mark it as paid. After selecting Add a Payment, a small payment window will pop up on your screen. You'll notice that the amount and date of this transaction are already filled in automatically based on the invoice details. This automation saves you time and reduces the chance of errors. Now, all you have to do is add the payment method your client used to pay you, whether that's cash, check, credit card, or bank transfer. If you need to include any additional notes about this payment, simply fill in the note field provided. This is helpful for keeping internal records or adding context about the transaction. Once you've entered all the necessary information, simply click on the Add Payment button to finalize the process. You'll also notice there's an optional checkbox that allows you to send a copy of this invoice showing it's been paid to your client. This is a nice touch if you want to provide your client with a receipt or confirmation of their payment. If you choose to enable this, your client will receive an email notification with the updated invoice status. And that's it. You've successfully marked your sales invoice as paid on FreshBooks, keeping your financial records clean and accurate. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.